Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CBR300R. Lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 1,260 miles on this gorgeous metallic orange and black sport bike. She's easy to handle, lightweight, low seat height, very low mileage. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.